So, Blake, timing is really important with all the nutrients throughout the growing season. Let's focus on corn here. Walk me through peak demand for a couple of the important nutrients that we need throughout the growing season.
Yeah, for sure. So, when we start talking in furrow, I think that's the biggest starting point where we're talking starter, right? So, a full NPK starter, I think, is vital. Just the organisms we see of those three macros together, whether it be impulse, first down, triple option, you've got three phenomenal options there that we're focusing on P and even K when we get to that triple option. As we move in season, I think it's really important to have a well-balanced product. When we look at a side dress pass or a wide drop pass, in season nitrogen, the two biggest movers of nitrogen are water and potassium, correct?
Yep.
So when we throw in our K-Flex, for example, 0019 success with potassium acetate being the most soluble form, we're going to help drive that nitrogen use efficiency up. And then again, when we get towards later in season, or even in that side dress pass, boron is a big conversation when it comes to corn. We know the efficiency of boron, the efficacy of it, more importantly, but zinc. Zinc is also a micronutrient that we always talk about in furrow, and it's vital in furrow, but it's also one of the key and most essential micronutrients when it comes to grain fill. So having that big load of zinc, especially in that in-season pass, whether it be, again, side dress or wide drop or even foliar, I think that's huge to help finish out that crop.
What's a good foliar feeding product that Nachurs offers?
Yeah, first one I would say is going to be our new Moneyball product that we just released at Commodity back in March. You got a huge dose of boron in that, and then a good dose of moly as well as some copper. We've got a folic acid in there that's going to help carry those nutrients into the plant without the plant really having to stress to do that. The next thing too is, I would carry it with a K-Flex even.
Yeah.
Something that's high in potassium, that the highway for nutrients or the Uber for nutrients into the plant. I think it's big to be able to have a carrier for that as well.
Right.